Hey everyone, welcome back to Holistic Health Haven. I'm RK Mupper, and today we're diving into the captivating world of star anise. This star-shaped spice doesn't just add a burst of flavor to your dishes, it's also a treasure trove of health benefits, from enhancing your immune system to improving digestion and even offering skincare perks. Star anise is truly a multifaceted gem in the world of natural health. So why should you care about this spice sitting quietly in your kitchen cabinet? Well, stay tuned, because we're about to uncover the secrets of star anise that could transform your health. Whether you're looking for ways to boost your immunity, improve your digestion, or even get better skin, star anise has something incredible to offer. Before we get started, make sure to hit those like, share and subscribe buttons so you never miss out on our latest holistic health tips. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store for you today. All right, let's kick things off with one of the most remarkable benefits of star anise, its ability to boost your immune system. Star anise is packed with antioxidants, which are crucial in protecting your body from the damaging effects of free radicals. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress, leading to various health issues, including weakened immunity. The antioxidants in star anise, such as linalool and vitamin C, help neutralize these free radicals, thereby fortifying your immune system. Regular consumption of star anise can make your body more resilient against infections and diseases. Whether you add it to your soups, stews, or simply brew it as a tea, incorporating star anise into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to stay healthy. But that's not all. Star anise also contains anethol, a compound known for its antiviral and antibacterial properties. This means it can help your body fend off infections more effectively. Imagine not having to worry as much about catching that seasonal flu or common cold. Sounds pretty great, right? So, if you're looking to give your immune system a natural boost, star anise might just be your new best friend. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into its myriad of benefits. Next up, we'll explore how star anise can aid in digestion, making those uncomfortable bloating episodes a thing of the past. Now let's talk about digestion. If you've ever experienced bloating, indigestion, or any type of stomach discomfort, you know how disruptive it can be to your daily life. Thankfully, star anise is here to help. This spice has been traditionally used in various cultures for its digestive benefits, and for good reason. One of the most popular ways to use star anise for digestion is by brewing it into a tea. Star anise tea can work wonders in calming your stomach. The essential oils in star anise, such as anethol, have antispasmodic properties which help in relaxing the muscles of your gastrointestinal tract. This means less bloating, fewer cramps, and an overall smoother digestive process. Moreover, star anise stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, which aids in breaking down food more efficiently. This can be particularly beneficial if you've indulged in a heavy meal and are feeling the after effects. Just a cup of star anise tea can provide that much needed relief, helping you digest your food better and faster. But that's not all. Star anise also has carminative properties, meaning it helps in the expulsion of gas from the intestines. This can be a lifesaver if you're dealing with uncomfortable gas buildup. So the next time you feel that familiar discomfort in your stomach, reach for some star anise. Stay with us as we continue to explore the incredible benefits of this enchanting spice. Up next, we'll see how star anise can be a natural remedy for respiratory conditions. Let's move on to how star anise can provide relief from respiratory conditions. Whether it's a seasonal cold, a persistent cough, or a sore throat, respiratory issues can be incredibly bothersome. Luckily, star anise comes packed with antibacterial properties that make it an excellent remedy for such conditions. The active compounds in star anise, particularly anethol and shikimic acid, have shown effectiveness against various bacterial strains. This means that star anise can help in fighting off the bacteria that cause respiratory infections. A simple star anise tea can act as a soothing remedy for your throat, reducing inflammation and easing that irritating cough. Additionally, star anise helps in loosening mucus and phlegm, making it easier to expel these from your respiratory tract. This can be particularly beneficial if you're dealing with a chesty cough or congestion. The anti-inflammatory properties of star anise further aid in reducing the swelling of your airways, making it easier to breathe. But the benefits don't stop there. Star Anise also has antiviral properties, making it a multifaceted tool in your arsenal against respiratory conditions. So, the next time you're feeling under the weather, consider brewing a cup of Star Anise tea. It's a natural, effective way to alleviate your symptoms and get back on your feet faster. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of Star Anise. Up next, we'll delve into how this magical spice can enhance the health of your skin. Now let's talk about skin health. Who doesn't want clear, glowing skin? Star Anise can be a game changer in your skincare routine. The essential oils derived from Star Anise have been found to offer numerous benefits for the skin, making it a popular ingredient in natural skincare products. Firstly, Star Anise essential oil has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. This makes it particularly effective in treating acne and preventing future breakouts. By applying diluted Star Anise oil to the affected areas, you can reduce inflammation and kill the bacteria responsible for acne. Additionally, the oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help to soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. This makes it an excellent choice for people with sensitive skin or conditions like eczema. The antioxidants in Star Anise also play a role in combating the signs of aging by neutralizing the free radicals that cause skin damage. But that's not all. Star Anise can also improve the overall texture of your skin. The oil helps in maintaining the skin's elasticity, making it look firmer and more youthful. You can even add a few drops of Star Anise essential oil to your regular moisturizer or carrier oil for an added boost of skin-loving nutrients. So, if you're looking to elevate your skincare routine naturally, Star Anise might just be the ingredient you've been missing. Next, we'll explore how Star Anise can help you achieve better sleep, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. Last but not least, let's talk about sleep. In today's fast-paced world, getting a good night's sleep can sometimes feel like a luxury, but did you know that Star Anise can help you achieve better sleep? Drinking Star Anise tea before bed can relax your nerves and promote restful sleep. Anethole in Star Anise has mild sedative properties. It calms your nervous system, making it easier to fall asleep. A warm cup of Star Anise tea can help you let go of the day's stresses. It reduces anxiety and stress, often behind insomnia. Promoting relaxation, Star Anise tea ensures you wake up refreshed. Its anti-inflammatory properties also improve sleep quality. By reducing inflammation, Star Anise helps you sleep more comfortably. Consider making Star Anise tea part of your nightly routine. It's a natural, effective way to enhance your sleep quality. Thank you for staying with us through this journey of discovering the wonders of Star Anise. Now let's wrap things up. Indeed, Star Anise is that magical spice with amazing health benefits and multiple uses. From boosting your immunity and aiding digestion to enhancing your skin health and improving sleep, Star Anise truly is a multifaceted gem in the world of natural remedies. Whether you choose to incorporate it into your diet, your skincare routine, or your nightly ritual, the potential benefits of Star Anise are immense. It's fascinating how a simple spice can offer so much, isn't it? If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more natural remedies and wellness tips. And don't forget to tell us in the comments, how do you like to use Star Anise? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.